Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming storage numbers so you know the target to reach. Open settings and go straight to storage. Note large categories. While connected to Wi-Fi and power, backup photos, videos, and important files to cloud or an external drive. Do this now or you risk losing data. Once backed up, clear app caches and temporary files in settings or each app. These initial steps free quick space and prepare you for deeper removals without data loss. Next, you target bulky storage offenders. Uninstall apps you rarely use. For apps you want later, offload or use the built-in offload feature to save data while removing the app binary. Transfer remaining media to cloud storage and only delete local copies after you confirm uploads completed. Then search downloads, duplicates, and messaging attachments. Delete large or redundant items. Make sure to empty the trash or recently deleted folder so space is actually reclaimed. These actions reclaim the most persistent gigabytes. Finish by restarting the phone to let the system reindex storage and show accurate free space. Check settings again to confirm gains. If you still lack space, perform a full backup and then a factory reset to remove hidden system bloat. Restore only essential data and apps to avoid repeating the problem. If storage numbers remain incorrect, use the OS recovery or reinstall tools to repair corrupted storage indexes. One troubleshooting tip: reindexing or reinstalling the OS usually resolves phantom used space issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.